Welcome! Like and subscribe for fun stories at Aruditi. On the edge of a quiet meadow stood a peaceful sheep farm. At night, while the sheep snored in cozy piles, one bird stayed wide awake. That bird was Owl, the farm's sharp-eyed night watchman. He sat atop a tall wooden post, still as stone. His eyes glowed like tiny lanterns in the dark. Far beyond the fence, in the woods, something stirred. A hungry wolf crept from the shadows, eyes fixed on the farm. Yum, soft, fluffy sheep. The wolf licked his lips. He padded silently through the grass and approached the gate. Then he spotted Owl. Well, what do we have here? Said the wolf with a sneer. Owl blinked slowly. A wise bird on duty. Move along, wolf. I just want to peek inside, said the wolf. Then take the east gate, Owl replied. It's always open. The wolf grinned. Nice bird, he muttered, and dashed off. But when he climbed the east gate, clang! A hidden cowbell trap rang like thunder. The sheep stirred. The wolf fled, humiliated. Back at his perch, Owl didn't even move. A few minutes later, the wolf returned, ears drooping. Enough games. I saw no sheep back there. Perhaps you missed the grazing sheep by the fence, Owl said calmly. The fence? The wolf's tail wagged. Yes. Follow the stones. One is always there. The wolf ran to the fence and saw a shadow. Perfect, he growled, leaping. But it wasn't a sheep. It was a decoy made of feathers and pepper dust. Poof, went the dust, right into his face. Yuck, he sneezed so hard he knocked over a barrel. Now furious and wheezing, the wolf limped back to the post. Bird, this time no riddles. Where are the sheep? You're very persistent, Owl replied. But fine, one last chance. Better not be a prank, growled the wolf. Go behind the cornfield, said Owl. There's a hidden gate, no traps. The wolf narrowed his eyes. Why should I believe you now? Owl leaned forward. Because if you don't take this path, someone else will. And they'll get your sheep first. The wolf's ears perked up. Someone else? A fox. I saw her circling the field just before you came. And no way I'm letting a fox eat my dinner, the wolf yelled. And with that, he bolted toward the cornfield path. The path was smooth, too smooth. The grass was perfectly flat. The wolf crept forward, eyes scanning for sheep. Crack went the ground. Thump. The wolf disappeared into a deep, leafy pit. Owl soared down, peering into the pit with a smirk. I told you wisdom wins, he said, and flew back to his post. The sheep woke to morning sun, safe and sound. The farm cheered their hero with oats, tea, and a medal of feathers. And the wolf. He spent the whole day trying to climb out with hay stuck to his nose. Hope you enjoyed this story. And if you're looking for more fun stories, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay subscribed.